Right now we're walking from England to Vietnam, and this is the route that we've taken so far. On the 16th of September 2024, I began walking from Stratford-on-Avon down to Dover in the UK. I then walked over to France, Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Austria, Hungary, Serbia, Bulgaria, Greece. Now we're in Turkey. The next countries are Georgia and Azerbaijan. We've actually already done those. The reason is we only had so many days on our Turkish visa the last time that we were there, so we had to leave with some kilometres missing. So we went into the next countries, Georgia and Azerbaijan, whilst we waited for our Turkish visas to renew. We got to Kazakhstan and we were met with temperatures like -20, so we thought this is too cold to walk through. This is the perfect time to go back and do the Turkish kilometres right now. So that's what we're doing. We have 300 kilometres left in Turkey, and then we're going back to Kazakhstan to begin walking through the cold desert once more. Then into Uzbekistan. Once we've done that, Afghanistan, Pakistan, into India, that will be crazy, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, and finally Vietnam. There is also a backup route option, which I'll show you now. The other option is to walk through Kazakhstan like intended, then down all the way through Uzbekistan and then into Tajikistan. Then eventually we'll be walking along the Himalayas through China. Maybe we'll cross into Nepal, but then finally into Vietnam. If you haven't already, hit the like button and I'll show you how I felt before the journey even started. What's up guys? This is the day before the big walk. How am I feeling? Well, I've got a bit of a bad stomach to begin with, so that's not a great start. But I've got mixed emotions. I'm excited, of course. I'm nervous. It's a long way. It's a bloody long way. It's gonna be cool. I can't wait. Like, yeah, just to begin, just to get started, you know, and to see all of these places by foot is gonna be crazy. The people that I'm gonna meet, the cultures I'm going to be, because I'm going to be staying in these towns, you know, all across the route. There's going to be, like, gradually the cultures will change and the food is going to be incredible. The blisters, oof, not looking forward to that. It's going to suck on my legs, right? I'm going to have to take rest days. I'm going to have to listen to my body. Some days I might be thinking, oh, I can't go any further, and maybe just do a half day or something like that. But yeah, I'm about to go, I'm in London right now. I did a job last night, the last bit of money that I'll earn for a long time, probably like 8 months. So I'm in London. I'm about to go and see the family, say goodbye, pack my bags and start this journey. When I first started this journey, I was expecting it to take just 8 months. My calculation was 50 kilometres a day with 1 day off a week. And I was so naive. I had no idea about anything to do with hiking. So I was just going out on a complete whim. I also only started with £2,000, so I was completely unprepared for what was to come. Yo, so this is Shakespeare's birthplace. I'm going to start my journey today. We're going from Stratford, Shakespeare's birthplace, all the way through Banbury and into Bicester. That's the plan. It's about 30 odd miles. It's a long way, but it's good. I've got a legs full of energy, ready to go. So yeah, let's begin this walk. Good morning. A local passerby. Yo, normally this street is completely packed, completely full of tourists, but it's just me and a couple of others on their way to work. It is not even 8 o'clock yet. Yeah, I'm just, I said to myself 8 o'clock, so I'm going to wait till 8. I might grab some breakfast soon. I've not eaten yet, empty stomach. How am I feeling right now? Ready. I mean, I've packed, I've got everything with me that I need. The bag is a little tight, so I might have to look into buying a new bag along the way or ditching some stuff. I'm feeling good. Not got a bad stomach today. I'm feeling ready. And we're off. My God, I had no idea what I was setting myself up for. Looking back on this clip, the first few steps of the journey is absolutely crazy. Just having my first break of the day. I've just done 7 kilometres and yeah, I need to take a layer off because the mist is clearing and the sky is turning blue. So yeah, that's good. It's getting quite warm. I'm sweating. I'm having a stretch. I definitely underestimated how heavy my bag is. That's fine, I've got everything I need. Yeah, 6 kilometers down, 11,000 something to go. Oh my god. Let's fast forward 7,000 kilometers, 15 countries, and 540 days later. Here we are. I'm in Turkey right now, and I'm in bed. Unfortunately, I've had a fall, and my leg is black. It's bruised. It's put me out of action for a week. And every time I try and walk, the muscle just sort of gives way, and I sort of like hobble over and fall over, so it's not safe for me to walk right now. But guys, I am 540 days into the journey, 7,000 kilometers through, not even halfway, but I'm feeling great. Honestly, my life has changed. I feel so much more confident, even just talking to the camera. I've got a lovely girlfriend, Sophie. She's by my side, and we have a dog, and life is pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It's been a tricky one though. We've made it to Kazakhstan. We had to leave Turkey early because last time we were here we only had a short visa, and we could only do so many kilometers in those days. So we left Turkey last time, and then we moved forwards to Georgia and Azerbaijan, so we just carried on walking. The plan was to always come back and finish off the kilometers in Turkey once the visas had reset. So that's what we are doing now. But yeah, once I've rested my leg and it's back to good, we've got 300 kilometers left, and then we're back to Kazakhstan, where the next part of the journey begins. And I am nervous about that. We tried to walk through the desert last time, when we'd made it across the Caspian Sea, and it was cold. It was -20. Sometimes it was colder than that. But this time we have a new plan, so stay tuned for that. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but I'll just show you. But yeah, I'm vlogging. I'm posting around 1 to 2 videos every week and showing you guys the journey in an honest way. So yeah, if this is your kind of thing, follow along and join us on the journey. That's all I can really say for now. The next few countries are going to be crazy. We have obviously Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and I'm looking forward to all of these countries. Like, seriously, it's going to be amazing to just meet all of these lovely local people and show the world that it's not such a bad place. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting into the next phase of the journey. But for now guys, I'm gonna rest. So like, comment, subscribe, come along, join us for the journey, and I'll see you in the next vlog.